Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to browse the web on your SONY KD-43X TV. To do it, you can open the pre-installed web browser available in your apps menu. It's just called browser. You have to open it and accept all the permissions, and after that, you can start using it either in a tile mode, or some pages will actually enable the mouse pointer or some kind of crosshair on your screen, with which you'll be able to navigate on these pages using your remote control, D-pad. So use your D-pad to navigate, OK button to select, return button to go back, and home button to return to the home screen. Of course, you can also download some external web browsers from the apps menu. Just search for them using your on-screen keyboard, or just tell your voice assistant to search a web browser, and it will find all the relevant applications for you. Just download one of these. I recommend Browse Here. It's one of the most useful ones and usable ones for your TV. Click install, wait until it's installed, then you just have to open it, and you'll be able to start browsing the web on your TV. Let's wait for a moment. Okay, let's open this web browser. It also appeared on the apps list and on the home page too. Tap Get Started, and now you can navigate this web browser just like the previous one. It also has a bunch of useful features on it. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.